Okay, we've got Drupal 8 installed, and now we're going to add a couple pages and do a few other things to set up a basic site for us. So I'm going to return to our Drupal 8 install, and I'm going to add a new page to start. So let's create a home page. So I'm going to click on Content, Add Content. Out of the box, Drupal has articles and basic pages. We're going to use the basic page for this. I'm going to put a title of home on it. Welcome to our new site, some content on the home page. And I'm going to go over here and create a URL path for the home page at /home. I'm not going to put it in the menu at the moment because I'll tell Drupal where the home page is. And we're going to do that by going to Configuration, Site Information, and instead of Drupal's default homepage, which is a river of news, we're going to set it to the homepage URL we just created. And click Save. And so now if we go back to our site, our homepage is this new welcome to our site. So that's one page. Let's add another page real quick. Let's go to Content, Add Content again. Another basic page. We'll make this an About Us page. We'll give the title. We'll fill in some stuff. This time we are going to put it, since it isn't the home page, we're going to put it into the menus. Drupal comes with some default menus. The main one usually used for the top of the page is main menu. So that's all okay. And under here, we'll make this URL /about. And if I save and publish this, now we'll have two pages, a home page and an About Us page, and I can use the main navigation menu at the top to move back and forth between them. If I didn't like the order of my menus, I can go to Structure, Menus, and manage the menus that Drupal comes with. It comes out of the box with these 5. The main navigation menu is this one, and I can use drag and drop to reorder the menu items, and I can make them hierarchical if I like by dragging them in. And I can create my own menus, and there are plenty of Drupal modules that will also create more menus. So you get full control over the menuing system in Drupal. So now we have 2 pages in the system. Let's deal with the block system. So Drupal pages are laid out in regions. This is the header region, sidebar, main content, footer. Different themes have different regions. And so if we want to see that, we can go to Structure, Block Layout, and then I can click on this Demonstrate Block Regions. And that will show me in these yellow areas all the different regions I can put content or blocks into. So this theme, Bartik, has a large number of regions. So let's add a new block to the system. The simplest block is an HTML block like this. My new footer block is the name we'll give it. That's for the back-end admin side. Here is, I might put, this company is located, here or there, some content, click Save. And now we have a new block. And so if I go back to the block layout screen, I can roll down here and find that new block that I created over here. And I can put it in a region. So let's put it in the footer region. So I'll save that. And there it is in the footer region. Here's the Powered by Drupal block that comes pre-configured. My customers don't like that, so I'm going to disable it by setting it to none. And I'll click Save Blocks again. So now if we go to our site, we have our home page, our About Us page, and down here we created a footer block that we placed on the page. So that's pretty much it for this lab, and we'll move on to the next one in just a second.